Quick release head installation and usage instructions. Flanged security wrench with post. Hex wrench. Ball mount base. Quick release head. Bracket body. First, take out the ball mounting base. Grab the ball with a dry towel or heat-resistant gloves. Heat the areas marked by the arrow, using a heat gun, lighter, etc. After heating for a while, use the hex wrench to unscrew the bolt. Mine is already loosened here. Loosen the screw on the quick release head. Assemble the quick release head to the base with screws. Assemble the quick release head to the ball with screws. Attach the ball to the bracket body. Once assembled, install it as shown. To detach, press the red button and turn in the opposite direction. Bracket installation and usage instructions. Bracket. Shock-absorbing silicone pad. Flanged security screw with post. Main unit. First, insert the shock-absorbing silicone pad into the bracket. Next, thread the screw through the silicone pad and into the main unit. Tighten the security screw firmly with the wrench. Attach the other end of the bracket to your motorcycle.